Rutgers Dance Marathon and Embrace Kids Foundation have been working really hard to raise funding and awareness for children with cancer, sickle cell, and other serious disorders. Embrace Your Groove is a viral video dance challenge. I was challenged by Glenn Jenkins, Alex Deasing, and Scarlett, and I'm going to challenge Amanda Steima, Meg Gatu, and Lauren Miller, and the Edison High School Student Council. All right, now it's time to embrace our groove.